Our entertainment news, and Oppa is coming back to the Philippines as Korean superstar Kim Soo-hyun will make the Filipino fans scream in fun again. More of the details at Angelica Galvez' report.
Fans of the Queen of Tears will be thrilled with this news, as Kim So-hyun plans to return to the Philippines next month. South Korean heartthrob Kim So-hyun, who recently appeared in the hit romance series Queen of Tears, will return to Manila on June, the event's organizers announced Wednesday. Wilbro's live announced X Tour, which will be his first in Asia in a decade. An exciting update. After 10 years, Korean superstar and acclaimed actor Kim So-hyun is returning to Manila, which is highly anticipated Asia's tours, as the post exclaimed. The 36-year-old actor will visit the country for the Eyes on You fan meet on June 29 at 6 p.m. at Araneta Coliseum. Tickets will go on sale on May 18 through Ticketsnet website and outlets, though prices have not yet announced. This is Angelica Galvez for Euro TV News.